Good morning everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start the first story. It was an evil day for the mouse when he made the acquaintance of a frog on the eve of a journey into the country. Protesting his great affection, the frog persuaded the mouse to allow him to go along. But we shall never know what possessed the mouse when he let the frog tie one of his own forefeet to one of the frog's hind feet. For surely it made traveling most uncomfortable indeed. However, they limped and hopped along the path until they came to a stream of water. The frog immediately jumped in, saying, "Follow me, friend mouse, and have no fear. You may find the harness a bit awkward, but remember that I'll be right by your side as we swim across." So they began to swim. Scarcely had they reached the midstream, however, when the frog took a sudden plunge to the bottom, dragging the unfortunate mouse after him. The struggling and thrashing of the mouse caused such a great commotion in water that it attracted the attention of a hawk sailing in the sky overhead. Swift as lightning, he pounced down upon the drowning mouse and carried him away. And with him, of course, went the frog as well. The name of the story: The Mouse and the Frog. The moral: he who plots the destruction of his neighbor often is caught in his own snare. The second story: a fir tree which grew tall and straight over most of the forest trees was bursting one day to a humble bramble bush beneath him. His haughtiness and boasting made the bramble bush annoyed, and he said, "If I were as tall as you, I would not need to put on such airs." How can a wretched bramble bush understand the feelings of a tree whose top brushes the clouds? Was the haughty reply. "Just wait," said the bramble. "I hope I am here the day the woodmen come with their sharp axes and saws looking for a tall fir tree. Then I wager you will wish you are nothing but a humble, useless bramble bush." The name of the story: The Fir Tree and the Bramble. The moral: the humble are secure from many dangers to which the proud are subject. Now, daily motivational quote. Believe in yourself. Take on your challenge. Dig deep within yourself to conquer fears. Never let anyone bring you down. You got to keep going. Santal Sutherland. Thank you. Wish you a very good day ahead. Stay at rest. Stay tuned.